Hello friends, let's talk about today's essay topic. So the topic which I'm going to discuss today is, it is sometimes said that young people should be encouraged to visit different countries because this will bring them many benefits. Okay, so this topic is about that youngsters, they should be encouraged to visit different countries. And why they should be encouraged to visit different countries? Why? Because it brings them benefits. So do you agree or disagree? So whenever you have a statement like agree, disagree one, so whatever the statement they have given, you have to accept it. Okay, this is how it is, and you really need to analyze that this statement, this situation, it has many advantages or disadvantages. So this question says it has many advantages, and if I think that yes, of course it has advantages, means I'll agree with it, or this is what I have done. I agree the statement, or I accord with the statement that yes, it brings numerous benefits to youngsters. So what these benefits are? The very first is youngsters or teenagers, they can explore multifarious cultures and traditions. Multifarious means different, various. So they can explore, they can get to know about different cultures, different traditions, which are popular in different countries. And it really makes them more knowledgeable because in childhood we must have read about different cultures and traditions in the books only, but we have never got a chance to have a look on these things face to face. So reading something in books is a kind of theoretical knowledge you have, but the practical knowledge will really make your life richer, will add a lot into your experience. Okay, so they become more knowledgeable. Second is they can learn foreign languages, because obviously becoming multilingual is a skill which is most preferred in this technological or in this globalized era. So they learn foreign languages, and in fact they learn it better. Why? Because listening a new language from the native speakers, in that way they develop linguistic skills faster. Linguistic skills means skills which are related to language. So if you are listening a new language, any foreign language in your hometown, in your country, so what will happen? You will get hardly a few people who are speaking, and that too again given a special circumstances. Normally they will be talking in the mother tongue, but yes, once you reach a foreign country, you will find that you are surrounded by people, everybody is speaking that new language. So when you are surrounded with the people who are speaking a new language, gradually you will develop that language very easily. You will understand the vocabulary words and in which situation and what circumstances you need to use these words. So obviously you grab the things much faster. You become multilingual. Exactly. The third I have is it breaks monotonous or tedious life routine. Monotonous and tedious means repetitive one. You keep on doing the same things in your daily life. However, if you visit to different countries, means you will getting out of this comfort zone. So you will get out of your comfort zone, means you are doing something that you might not be doing in your daily routine, and you have never thought of doing it, and you get an opportunity to experience something new. So you will get out of your comfort zone. That really build a lot of confidence in you. Okay, and you will definitely you break all that mundane routine. Next we have is it enhance their social network. Social network, because you will come across different people from different countries, and you will definitely befriend them. So in that way you will be having friends which are residing in different corners of the world. So in that way it enhances their social network, which would bring several professional opportunities. Okay, so if they think whatever they like the most, whatever their passion is, if they get the similar kind of job opportunities somewhere, if they get a business idea in their mind and all, so obviously in that way they can somewhere establish themselves professionally. Next is they become self-dependent and mature enough. Why? Because they are facing the real life situations by themselves, and that too again they are away from parental supervision. If they are staying in their hometown, it means their mom, dad, they are always there to guide them. to guide them, to encourage them towards their professional front, towards their academic achievements. But here, if they are visiting to different countries, they'll be away from their parents. They might be traveling abroad alone. They might be traveling with their few friends. But whatsoever the situation is, they become self-dependent and they start taking their own responsibilities and their co-passengers, co-travelers' responsibility as well. The next is they become more healthy and reduce stress level also. Even this is scientifically proven. So scientifically proven what? The traveling, visiting reduces stress level drastically. You'll get out of depression if someone is suffering from and might be having a few symptoms of depression. So visiting or traveling would reduce their depression and they'll come out of this phase. They develop peace of mind, they become more calm, they become more composed, and obviously they'll achieve their own life. They'll get to know about themselves quite a lot. So there are numerous advantages of visiting abroad, visiting to different countries. However, if we just talk about, right, so I would consider that there might be a disadvantage. Some people think that it can be an expensive activity. So expensive in terms of like visiting different countries. It will incur cost. Traveling, obviously it requires a lot of money and all. So some people think it is expensive, but finally I would say that okay, it might be an expensive activity, but yes, benefits are quite a lot. If we compare these benefits of traveling to different countries, the benefits always outnumber the drawbacks. Okay, so what people are supposed to do? They need to have that optimistic outlook which would keep them focused. Optimistic means positive. Even if this is an expensive activity, okay, but they'll start earning little money, a few amount of money that they need in their daily life for their survival. And obviously if they are going to visit different countries, they'll not be having that luxury travel, right? So there are different options available. They can explore these opportunities, how in low budget they can travel and they can enhance their life. Okay, so I hope this topic is clear to you, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, so don't forget to subscribe it now. Okay, so keep learning with me. All the best.